So let's take a look at how that affects some of our reporting. So if I come in and I look at profit and loss standard, and I'm just going to run this by day so that we can see how that looks. Let's see, the first one I have is actually on the 16th. So let me change that date. So we can see what we've got for each day. So the 16th, right, we had 1,200 hitting food sales, 2,400 hitting food sales on the 17th, 2,500 on the 18th. And if we're wondering where the rest of that is, if we go ahead and run our balance sheet report, and I'm going to run that for that same period, so the 16th through the 20th, just customize this. We'll do this one by day as well. So what we can see is that that employee tips payable balance, right, is accumulating based on those employee tip amounts going in. So if I say from 9/16/2023, we're going to see we started with the zero balance, and then from those sales receipts that were recorded, we've got to a total of $1,250.